guys, it's me again, Maria, and I'm back for another PLANTZILLA video. And for today's vlog, we are heading to Panglao, and I'm just so excited that those who invited us are just a ride away. And if you are interested, just keep watching. But before that, please do not forget to subscribe and tap the bell icon beside it so you will be notified whenever a new video is uploaded. And if you are ready, let's begin. So we were told that Nuatay Panglao is the landmark. So from here we will look for the place. And okay, let's go. So ayun guys, we are now here at Panglao Island. Libaong pala, Libaong po. We are visiting Mambonggay's garden. And I'm just so amazed kasi sobrang dami ng mga philodendrons, yung mga colorful nila dito. So they have this Imperial Red Imperial. And tingnan nyo naman yung itsura. So this is so beautiful. And most of the stalks are really dark, guys. So you can see that. This is their Philodendron Tri Color. And it's really tricolor because you will be seeing 3 colors in one plant or in one philodendron. There are mother plants and the shoots are actually for sale. So ito guys, this is a royal queen. I believe this is a royal queen. There is a pink princess and the red sun is beside it. There is also a cultured Rojo Congo. So ayan guys, meron na po siyang maraming mga roots na lumabas dyan. And in no time, this will be ready for propagation. This is, I believe, to be the Choco Empress, if I'm right. And maraming sunred dito guys. Most of them are for sale here, but not the mother plants because they are really meant for propagation lang. They have Miliona. And I'll just show you the bright colored philodendrons. What amazed me most is the one at the end. This is a tricolor, but sobrang dami ng kulay ng dahon na meron siya. So I do not know, pero sobrang dami talaga. May yellow green, there is orange, merong red, and there's even one that is almost white. So yun, sobrang ganda nito. And this is an orange marmalade. So you can see it from here. And this one is the Philodendron Lime Fiddle or the Golden Dragon. There is even a huge cobra fern in here. And marami pong mga baby na cobra fern dito guys. So take a look at that. For those of you who are looking for small cobra ferns, then they are here at Piping's Garden. So yun guys, medyo madami po sila. And we are so happy that we are invited here. Kasi medyo malapit lang to sa amin. There is a Black Majesty and meron na rin po palang mga propagated Philodendron millenniae. So, ayan, marami po sa inyo yung mga naghahanap ng maliliit pa kasi medyo pricey din yung malaki na. So, eto siya. Merong maliit. They also have Philodendron Moonlight. There is a propagated rainforest. I believe this is a rainforest that has been divided. So, ayan, para siyang cardboard. Ito yung itsura kasi ganito pinopropagate yung ibang cardboard, diba? And this area, marami na pong mga Philodendron xylem. Although they are now classified as Tomatophyllum, there are a lot of people who are telling that this is still a philodendron. The price range of these philodendrons that are here is from 400 to 1,200. 1,200 po yung pinakamahal and 400 po yung pinakamura. So, sobrang dami ng mga philodendrons dito. So, this is at the back of their garden. Marami na po silang mga na-propagate dito, guys. And sobrang daming halaman. What amazed me the most is that they are arranged according to their variety. So, yung lahat ng kaladyo magkakasama, lahat ng philodendron magkakasama. And other types, meron ding mga alocasia. I'm seeing a huge alocasia frydek over there. So, let's move. Eto guys, sabi niya this is a Philodendron Dwarf Orlando. So So, look at how lush it is. Sobrang dami ng dahon. There are 2 pots here. So, yun, sobrang dami na, guys. In this area, meron kang makikitang snake plant. So, it's really refreshing seeing this in the morning. Lalo na kapag kakagising mo lang. So, you will just go out and check your plants. So, there are crotons here. And they are placed separately. So, this is what I'm telling you about. This is a huge alocasia frydek, guys. So, ito yung itsura nila. Meron na siyang malaking leaves. So, ayan. It's so lush. And in this area, calathea siguro to. Ito yung nakita kong calathea. I do not know if this is the calathea rattlesnake. Please do comment it down below if you have an idea what type of calathea is this. So, ito guys, most of these are for sale. So, if you are interested, you can visit here at Libaong, Panglao. So, Nuathay is really the landmark, guys. There is one beautiful caladium in here, and I was told that this is the scarlet flame kasi I'm not familiar with all of the varieties of caladium, but this one really is beautiful. So, in this area, puro caladium sila. May area dito na puro calatheas, guys, and we'll check them. So, in this area, guys, sobrang dami ng mga calatheas. Merong mga doties. Ito yung, I believe, is the yellow fusion calathea. Meron ding white fusion. Ito white fusion ba to? I'm just not sure. Merong mga calathea dotty and the rasioptica, mostly filled with calatheas. Meron ding calathea crimson. So, ayan. And there are coluse plants as well. So, ito guys. So, medyo papunta na tayo sa front ng garden. There are varieties of coluse plants here, or yung mayana. They are so easy to grow. They grow from stem cuttings. Merong mga orchids. So, dito sa area na to guys, in the middle, there is a place that is being intended for the succulents. Sobrang dami ng succulents and itinatago nila kasi mahirap nga palaging umuulan and baka mag-rot. So, ayan, let's try to check them. There are different types of cacti as well. So, ayan yung maganda yan, oh. So, marami po sila. So, everything here is for sale. So, yung mga cacti and succulents na nandito are for sale. There are also moon cactus. Oh, may mga moon cacti dito, guys, of different colors. But you can get your own cactus or succulent for as low as 75 pesos, but the usual price range is from 100 pesos to 380 pesos, guys. So there are a lot of them. So ayan guys, so this area here is full of succulents and cacti. So this is intended for those of you who love to have or who are collecting cacti at home and also succulents, guys. You can buy something for as low as 75 pesos. Usual price range is ranging from 100 to 380 pesos. So, ayan. So, for those of you who have limited space at home, then you can try collecting these types of plants. And sobrang dami dito, guys. Dito, they're all for sale. So, for pick-up price, guys, itong mga moon cactus, tignan natin ha. For the moon cactus, guys, or sa mga ganyan, there were 380 pesos kapag pick-up. Malapit lang po to sa highway, guys, so you can just easily locate the place. And I believe that they are known here kasi malapit lang naman sa kalsada. And this is a compound or Bonggay's compound daw po ito. So, marami sila dito. And if you will just ask on the highway, marami pong nakakakilala and ituturo tong place na to dito. So, ayan. Meron pa pong dish garden si ma'am, oh. So, ayan. There are a lot of beautiful cacti here. Pipicture din ako kasi baka interested yung mama ko na mag-collect ng ganito kasi she's been looking for these type of plants. So, ayan. Sobrang dami-dami. So, ayan guys, we are here na pumasok po tayo kasi there are also plants that are being placed here inside. So, ito yung mga Philodendron Red Sun, guys. So, ayan. Meron kami nito, but this one is pretty as well. Meron ding Red Congo. Ayan. May ding amporn po. And there are pots of Birkins available here as well. So, by the looks of it. Sobrang stable na nilang tingnan guys because they do not look stressed anymore. Kasi yung Birkins po, they are sensitive. But when you look at them, hindi na po sila yung mga plants na nagmumukhang na stress kasi galing biyahe pa. The price range of the Birkins is from 700 to 900. So marami kayong makikita online that are above 1,000. But all of these Birkins that are looking healthy here are just below 1,000 guys. So if you are interested and wala pa kayong Birkins, then visit Bibing Bonggay's Garden here at Libaong, Panglao, Bohol. I'll just put the contact details para kayo na po mismo ang mag-message kay ma'am. So ayan. So yung pinakamura guys, dito naman tayo sa mga calatheas. Merong mga shoot nito, just 100 pesos. Pero yung pinakamura daw is 80 pesos. This malaking doti po is 850. And this lush medallion here is worth 1,100. So ito na po yung pinakamahal dito. But you can buy for as low as 80 pesos. So ayan. Sobrang mura ng plants niya guys. And I'm very sure na marami pong interested dun sa mga plants that are really low price when you compare them to the usual price that we see online. So look at how beautiful it is when you open your door and you get to see those plants outside your home. So really the succulents are having their own place para hindi sila palaging mabasa. And on this area, siguro naman hindi sila laging nababasa dito kasi merong shading net. And sobrang alagang-alaga sila kasi they are covered pa. Medyo nahihiya pa si ma'am kasi hindi pa daw ayos. But looking at this, nako, there's really no need to fix kasi sobrang ganda na tingnan. It really feels good when you have these plants at home. So if you are planning to collect some plants or if you are interested to get some of those plants, either calathea or philodendrons, even caladiums and all other varieties na nakikita nyo dito, most of them are for sale. So you can get them at Bibing Bonggay's Garden at Libaong, Panglao, Bohol. They also have bougainvilleas pala guys, oh, and they have the Ficus triangularis. Sobrang lalaki na. So, ayan, marami. In this area, guys, marami pong mga sansevierias dito of different prices. They are all for sale. This bonsal here. So, eto guys, there are also type of bonsals. Bacularis daw. It's worth 250. Meron din pong mga bonsals dito. Also worth 250 pesos, guys. So, ayan, sobrang dami ng plants ni ma'am dito of different varieties. So, makakapili kayo from sansevierias, caladiums, calatheas, philodendrons. Sobrang dami, guys. Sobrang dami talaga. Sa kanila pa pala tong area na to, and all the bougainvilleas here are blooming. So ayan, merong mga flowers kahit na tag-ulan. So tingnan nyo guys. So ayan, this is really what you will see when you get in here. Merong 3 bahay sa kanyang po lahat. Sobrang dami ng bahay ni ma'am. So may maraming orchids dito sa area na to. On that side, doon nakalagay yung mga succulents. And on the left side, you will see those philodendrons of different colors. And they are all bright colors, guys. Even if it's just tricolor, sobrang dami ng kulay ng philodendrons nila. So, from here, let's get right into the montage. Before I get to end this video, shout out to Annie Baltar of Cebu City, Aging Tinoy of Aligan City, shout out to Alina Harinilia of Puerto Princesa, to Makashi Vlog, hello to Plants and Plants, and to Manang Chinkai, also to Sir Swembens, hello Sir Swembens, shout out to you, and for landscaping services, visit Sir Dance G. And hello there, Blue Idioms, Gina Marbilia of Tansa, Cavite. So yun guys, thank you so much for making it till the end of this video. It has been Maria, the voice of PLANTZILLA BHL. If you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button and tap the bell icon beside it so you will be notified whenever we upload a new video. Bye guys!